I hope that oh, I hope that these hiccups go away. I hate having the hiccups because they bother me so much. But I hate when they start because once they start, they don't go away, and well, they go away eventually, but it takes a while for them to like go away, and I really don't like it. I want everybody to have a wonderful weekend. I think I've said that like about 10 times. So much much love to you out there, and remember if nobody has told you that they love you today, I love you, and so do my hiccups.